So this is gonna be a really quick intro. Today I need to clean my fridge before my daughter gets out of school. So I'm gonna do it really quick, and I thought you guys should come along and help me. I wish, right? No, I thought you guys can come and join me. So before I film this video, I just want you to know, only God can judge me. Okay? For my messy fridge. So I'm probably gonna, it's bad. So. Okay, so here it is, guys. No judgment. So I deep cleaned my fridge about 2 weeks ago, and this is kind of the end result of 5 people coming in and out of it. Okay, so right now I'm going to be taking everything out of the fridge, and I'm going to be wiping down all the shelves. Keep a trash can near me whenever I'm doing this so I can throw away any expired food or any old food in containers, and put those by the sink so I can wash those. So I will take a small container of soap and water with me for my sponge and my rag to constantly keep it wet and soapy while I'm cleaning. Okay, so now I am done cleaning off the shelves, and now I'm going to be putting everything back in that is still good and is not expired. What are you doing? Okay. Bebo! You're gonna do a